Welcome to today's LiveGood affiliate program review. LiveGood is without a doubt the hottest business opportunity of 2023. Let's discuss exactly what it is and if it's worth your time to join. LiveGood is a nutritional supplement company based in Jupiter, Florida that burst onto the scene in the latter part of 2022. Their focus is providing the best nutritional supplements available anywhere at low buyers club prices. Their affiliate program is based primarily on the sale of Buyers Club memberships, which are just $9.95 per month. What first struck me about LiveGood's affiliate program is that it is completely different than most of the network marketing programs I've seen online over the last 20 years or so. First is, not only are the products the company produces priced at nearly wholesale, but there is no mandatory auto ship to maintain your membership like all the others I'm used to seeing. Plus, the affiliate program fee is a low one-time payment of just $40 and you're in for life. Okay, so let's touch on the aspects that might be a bit confusing to some members. If you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, the compensation plan, or in other words, how and why you earn money, might be a bit complicated to some. But actually it's really pretty simple. There are 6 ways to get paid. They are 1. Fast start commissions, 2. Matrix commissions, 3. Matching bonuses, 4. Retail commissions, 5. Influencer bonuses, and 6. Diamond bonus pool. The weekly Fast Start commission is 50% of anyone you refer's $9.95 membership, and $40 affiliate fee, which equals $25 for each one you enroll. So, with just 2 referrals, you've already recouped your lifetime affiliate fee, and then some. People will stick with this program for the great products and their prices, but also since the affiliate fee is lifetime, they've no reason to ever quit. The Matrix commission is where it really gets interesting. Even without referring anyone as a member and affiliate, you are entitled to 2.5% of all the members who join after you in the matrix of their enroller down 12 levels. All percentages are based on monthly $9.95 membership fees. The more people you invite that enroll, the more levels of matrix commissions you are eligible for, down to a maximum of 15 levels. Now, what's also interesting is that as the matrix fills, yours may fill from those who were enrolled by someone above you in the matrix, as they have to be placed under existing members. But wait, there's more. Matching bonuses are calculated at 50% of your direct referrals matrix commissions. For example, if you have 2 referrals each making $500 in monthly commissions, you get a matching bonus of $250 for each of them, for a total of an extra $500 added to your matrix commissions. Matrix commissions and matching bonuses are paid monthly the first week of each month for the previous month's matrix volume. Okay, you might be thinking, is this really legit? Of course it is. It's no different than, say, Avon, Amway, Herbalife, and countless other multi-level marketing companies that have been around for decades. The difference is LiveGood doesn't charge an arm and a leg for the products. It's simply based on the popular Buyers Club model, much like Costco and Sam's Club. This is the future for affiliate marketing. To finish up with 4, 5, and 6. The retail commissions are if someone just wants to try the product at full retail and not become a member. You would get 50% of the difference between member price and retail. The influencer bonuses are much the same, only the percentage escalates depending upon volume. Last, the diamond pool is for the highest level of membership. 2% of the total sales of all membership and product sales gets divided evenly between all qualified diamond ranked affiliates and paid out with monthly commissions. Okay, so there you have it. The LiveGood affiliate program was designed for the little guy in mind. Its nutritional products are the best on the planet, and they are priced up to 75% below other comparable products of this quality. Now you've got to decide, is it right for you? Ask yourself this. Do I want to get healthier and feel better? Have more energy and have a better outlook on life? Do I know a couple of others who might want the same? Of course you do. Plus, making some extra money each month in this economy wouldn't hurt either. Now would it? Click the link in the description below to take a look at the Inside Members area free and decide for yourself. This could be the best decision you